I will praise you with all of my heart, soul, and strength. And I need you more and more each day. Lord, I love you. At the foot of the cross I will stay. Your blood, it covers me. So